Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how you can get V-Bucks in Fortnite. Fortnite is an online video game developed by Epic Games and released in 2017. It is available in 3 distinct game mode versions that otherwise share the same general gameplay and game engine. Fortnite: Save the World, a cooperative hybrid tower defense shooter survival game for up to 4 players to fight off zombie-like creatures and defend objects with traps and fortifications they can build. Fortnite Battle Royale, a free-to-play battle royale game in which up to 100 players fight to be the last person standing. And Fortnite Creative, in which players are given complete freedom to create worlds and battle arenas. Save the World and Battle Royale were released in 2017 as early access titles, while Creative was released on December 6, 2018. While the Save the World and Creative versions have been successful for Epic Games, Fortnite Battle Royale in particular became an overwhelming success and a cultural phenomenon, drawing more than 125 million players in less than a year, earning hundreds of millions of dollars per month. Fortnite as a whole generated $9 billion in gross revenue up until December 2019. Save the World is available only for Windows, Mac OS, PlayStation 4, and Xbox One, while Battle Royale and Creative were released for all those platforms, and also for Nintendo Switch, iOS, and Android devices. The game also launched with the release of the next-generation PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X consoles. V-Bucks can be used to purchase things like outfits, pickaxes, wraps, emotes and battle passes. Now these are the 2 steps to get V-Bucks in Fortnite. Firstly, launch the game to get started. It should take some time for the game to load, but it will depend on the computer's characteristics like its RAM and storage for it load faster. After the game has loaded, you should see an interface such as this one, where above you will see it's written things like Play, Battle Pass, Compete, Locker, Item Shop, Career, and V-Bucks. The first way to get versus Bucks is to click on Battle Pass, then on Battle Pass Rewards. You should see many rewards and scroll to find V-Bucks and claim the gift. You can also receive many more gifts after having purchased the Battle Pass. The next step, and it is the most obvious one, is to click where it's written V-Bucks. All you have to do is to select the particular amount of V-Bucks you need, and you are going to purchase them. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.